Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about Statue of Unity height, cost and construction. The Statue of Unity depicts India's first Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. It is situated near the Sardar Sarovar Dam in the state of Gujarat. With a height of 182 m tall, and Statue of Unity construction began in 2013 and completed in 2018. It also consists of a museum of the Adivasi, indigenous people, of the region, who were relocated to make way for the construction of the statue. Turner International provided construction management services on the statue, guiding the project throughout construction to the inauguration on October 31, 2018, which Statue of Unity height. Standing at 597 feet or 182 meters above ground level, the Statue of Unity is twice the size of the Statue of Liberty in the United States, and 40% taller than China's Spring Temple Buddha. The statue also hosts a viewing gallery at a height of 193 meters from sea level, which can accommodate 200 visitors at a time, offering a spectacular view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam, its reservoir, and the Satpura and Vindhya mountain ranges. It was designed and master-planned by Michael Graves Architecture and Design, MGA, and is intended to anchor what will eventually become AirCert. The monument took 8 years to design and 4 to build. The non-symmetrical pose posed a collision orienting the base, and MGA managed to hide the zigzagging elevator system inside of the memorial's flowing robes. 2 structural concrete cores were used to anchor the Statue of Unity, which support the steel framework, cast from scrap sourced all over India, attached to the 2,000 tons of exterior bronze paneling. Statue of Unity construction. Built by over 250 engineers and 3,400 laborers using 70,000 tons of cement, 18,500 tons of reinforcement steel bars, 6,000 tons of structural steel and 1,700 metric tons of bronze. The Statue of Unity in Gujarat stands twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty in the United States. Larsen & Toubro and state-run Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Ltd built the statue, with intricate bronze cladding work done by a Chinese foundry, the Jiangxi Token Company. The height of the statue was fixed as 182 meters to match the total Democratic Assembly constituencies in the state of Gujarat. Built at a cost of Rs 2,989 crore, the Statue of Unity project, barring bronze cladding which is a fragment of the mammoth work, The base of the statue is constructed with over 129 tons of scrap iron, donated by nearly 100 million farmers from across India. The statue is built to withstand wind velocity up to 60 meters per second. The Statue of Unity can also survive earthquakes measuring up to 6.5 on the Richter scale, at a depth of 10 kilometers and within a radius of 12 kilometers of the statue. It devoured 210,000 cubic meter of cement concrete, 18,500 tons of reinforced steel, 6,500 tons of structured steel, 1,700 tons of bronze and 1,850 tons of bronze cladding, which in turn consists of 565 macro and 6,000 micro panels. The statue is conceived as a naturalistic depiction of Sardar Patel in characteristic garb in a walking pose, and it rises out of a star-shaped, geometric base that covers the entire Sadhu hill. Altogether, the statue is divided into 5 zones. Up to its chin is the first zone, comprising 3 levels, including an exhibit floor, mezzanine, and roof. It will contain a memorial garden and a large museum. Zone 2 extends up to the statue's thighs at 149 meters, while Zone 3 goes up to the viewing gallery at 153 meters. Zone 4 comprises the maintenance area and Zone 5 head and shoulders. World's tallest statue. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.